Hello everyone. Initially, I would like to thank Evision Technoserve for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself and my journey in this course. I am Jdeepthi Reddy and I am from Hyderabad, and I have completed my B.Tech in 2019 with the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Vagdevi Engineering College, Bullikunta, Warangal. All these days, I am trying hard to get placed in any IT companies, but unfortunately, I have not been successful yet. One day, my friend has called me and explained me about how he has been successful after joining in on-job training process in Evision Technoserve. And also, he explained me about what are the technologies that he have been learned and how he has been placed in IT companies through the knowledge that he has been gained in this course. Hence, it seems very interesting for me, and I have decided to join in this on-job training process and to start my career. After joining in this course, I have experienced the real-time exposure and experience from each module that have been learned in this course. As each module has a different resources that as Roshan sir, Tarun sir, Rahul sir and Raju sir. After the completion of this course, I have learned various core technologies such as CCNA, cybersecurity, Windows administration, Linux administration. In the basics of networking, I have learned various topics such as what is a networking and what are its types, and also about various topologies and communication medium such as wide, wireless, and also about OSI and TCP by IP model and virtualization. In CCNA module, I have learned various topics such as IP addressing, subnet mask, CIDR, and telnet, SSH, DHCP and its configuration, and various routing protocols, RAP, VLAN, WLAN, and various and also I have done the practicals regarding this module. In Windows administration, I have learned various topics such as Windows Client OS, Server OS, domain joining, event viewer, and about AD and DC servers, WDS server, and also Outlook, and about and also about hardware devices. And finally, I have also learned how to solve the problems while sending and receiving the emails. In cybersecurity, I have learned various topics such as information gathering, scanning, system hacking, Wi-Fi hacking, Google hacking, social engineering, malware, and the various threats that has been occurred in system. In Linux administration, I have learned about Red Hat Linux OS and various commands regarding it. In every module, I have done the practical that has been explained in the course. And also in every weekend, we have a mock interviews that have been helped me to ensure my standard in these technologies that have been learned in this course. Along with that, I have also given various PPT presentations that has helped me to learn the extra knowledge about these technologies, and also to improve my skills and improve my proficiency in the core technologies. Hence, confidently I can say that I can crack any real-time interview and real-time problems that has been assigned to me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to learn the core technologies and also to improve my skills in networking. Thank you so much.